Hello people, welcome to our channel Be Mad At. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to look at IoT, that is Internet of Things. If you are an ECE student, you will be familiar with this term IoT. But if you are not, then you must know about it because their applications are widely used in everyday lives, especially in 21st century. So in this video, we are going to cover actually what is IoT, why is IoT, and how is IoT working. We wanted to do this video in two parts because we have many things to know about IoT and we don't want to bore you telling all at a time. It must be short, simple and interesting too. Without any late, let's head into the video now. What is IoT? The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices ranges from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools. For example, if you buy any LED TVs in the recent times, you can connect both your mobile and television through Bluetooth, which means you're using an IoT device every day. Another example, if you have purchased an Apple Watch or Google Home in recent years, you became part of the IoT. Other Internet of Things applications like Alexa, Ring and Amazon Dash button, you reorder your favorite candy bars when you are running low.
Why is this IoT? Do you know that with more than 7 billion connected IoT devices today, experts are expecting this number to grow to 10 billion by the end of 2020 and more in the future. The IoT at first may sound like a complicated application and use of technology, but in the actual sense it is a simple concept to understand. Their applications are wide like environmental monitoring, infrastructural management, transport system, medical and healthcare system, energy system, etc. The concept of IoT was to spread the smartness of devices beyond normal computers, laptops and mobile devices and transfer the same to dumb devices like fridge by adding the capability to network, communicate and share data. Fridges with IoT could tell you what capacity of veggies you have left and also order with your permission, of course. Sounds cool, right? Fact time. At Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the year 1999, the term IoT was coined by Kevin Ashton, with the first device known to use IoT being a Coca-Cola dispenser machine which could tell you whether the loaded drinks were cold. How it works. An IoT solution consists of devices and sensors which talk to the cloud through some kind of connectivity. Once the data gets to the cloud, software processes it and then might decide to perform an action such as sending an alert or automatically adjusting the sensors without the need for the users. Don't worry guys, the terms used here like sensors, their working, cloud, what does it mean, and when do the user intervene to set things when they go wrong. Everything will be explained in detail in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon in order to get notification whenever uploaded. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like what we are doing, along with share it with your friends, comment and let us know your opinions and suggestions in the comment section. Finally, thank you all for watching.